wako gando. Kirui. Sekali wako.
Orang itu ya udah mengkol ni.
High Court Judge Justice Gregory Mutai advising and extending the orders that were supposed to be implemented on 13th of August to 17th of August, that we will have the respect of the law, because the court communicates anything that pertains justice, and there is a respect of the rule of law in Kenya. With the Constitution of Kenya that was promulgated in 2010, it gives Kenyans equal rights, and we are just surprised that some people have defied the court orders by parading goons to keep us away, because what we have seen today is barricading the roads that are leading to the school. We've seen OCPD, OCS, DCC and Bakasi present, and police officers, but it's quite unfortunate that one of the lawyers has been attacked in the presence and under the watch of the police. We wonder why this is happening, and the gate is closed. Yet we have the Regional Director of Education, Mr. Ruben Kipturgo, present, and failing to give directions to the head teacher, who is actually in that school, so that we can have access of the inventories in the same institution. We have also seen goons inside from a distance, and our security was not guaranteed. And that's why we have not managed to access the school. It's quite unfortunate in a country that has attained independence in 1963, where the police cannot command authority and ensure that there is protection of life and property. We have also seen the BOM chair, Gatoto Community Primary and GS, being arrested on Saturday. Like right now, he has been arraigned in Makadara law courts. We are yet to see the reasons behind the arrests, and we wonder why it's happening when the court ordered that we gain access to the school today on Friday. Yeah, definitely we see calculated moves to prevent us from gaining access. And even those people shouting in the name of goons, most of them are not even our parents. Our parents have been intimidated, and we wonder the reason behind this. Gaining access has been a kind of a practice of back and forth, and we wonder who are these people behind this. I don't think Kenya Police Service can be overwhelmed by a few individuals and goons who've been paraded to frustrate efforts of the implementation of the court orders. I feel frustrated as a Kenyan who is a law-abiding citizen with the doings of these government officers, because the judgment of the court was in place from last year, 12th of June 2025. Down the line, it's 19 months and some days. And we wonder why people are not abiding by the laws of this country. It is the high time that people learn to operate within the confines of the law, because that is what keeps us moving as a country.
Where do you see this country?
We cannot exist with this behavior of lawlessness. And we in the education sector, through the curriculum that has been developed, it's about upholding values that build the nation. It's not about dividing the nation by dishing out a few coins to the underprivileged so that you can misuse them and parade them to frustrate orders that have already been... We feel the local administration have been compromised to frustrate the efforts of the court. And that's why we have cited a few of them. We have cited a few of them for contempt, because we feel someone is using them from somewhere, and that's why they are not making informed decisions. Vision to provide quality, accessible, gender-balanced, holistic education to underprivileged. We are slowly missing this direction, this focus, because what we are seeing is parents complaining that we have exorbitant fees that have been imposed, and at the same time there is no that quality learning. We have existed as an institution for the last 31 years, and we have a beautiful legacy to protect. We've been providing scholarships to students to access secondary and tertiary education. We've been supporting the community also from the most extreme families, so that we can have high attendance rate, and that children coming from such families can access education that is quality and accessible. This is not happening. Most children have dropped out of school, and it's quite embarrassing to see a few individuals who have conspired to frustrate the decision that has been made by the High Court. He has a broken leg, there is an injury on the leg, and at the same time also recently we saw that some of the cars, a car for one of our lawyers also was also tampered with. And these are kind of behaviors that are being staged before the authorities. It's quite unfortunate that up to now, no one has been arrested to actually ascertain all these damages.
I'm a parent in Gatoto, and I'm a POM member for Gatoto Community School. Today is an unfortunate day because we have seen government representative coordinating to disobey court orders. There is unwilling to obey the courts as by the directions. We were to resume the operations of Gatoto campus from today, but it has been sabotaged. There is barricaded roads that we cannot get access to. And I think the work of the police is to remove those barricaded roads and clear those roads. But they have not done that. They are just watching as people are disobeying the law. And the people want to prevent us from getting our rights that we have been given by the courts. So tomorrow we are going back to court, and we will have to give the evidence of what has happened. They have paid the youths who are not genuine parents. And the main purpose of doing this is to prevent the parents from getting their rightful from the school, because they own the school. They want to shut up the parents, and that is not good. So we urge the government representative from the police, the county registration, the registrar of schools, and other stakeholders to make sure they obey court orders. The school has been running since 2004 for 31 years now, and it has been being run by Gatoto Primary Community School. How come that today the school is a community school, is a government school, and they are mobilizing youths to prevent the exercise to take place? I'm not happy at the way the government is behaving. The police are just there to watch as the goons are mistreating even the villagers within that village. Remember, Ruben is a slum area, and when the police are there, where people are being snatched, they are looking for livelihood. They are taking over their potatoes, eating, bananas, eating, as the police are watching. Even our legal person, our council, has been injured, and there is no arrest has been done. The work of the police, I know, it is supposed to provide law and order. In case there is anybody who is breaking the law, is supposed to be arrested and brought before court. We are waiting to see how many people will be brought to court tomorrow for trying to prevent the court order being applied. I've said the incitement is coming from the coordination of the government representatives. The area OCS, the DCC, even the OCPD, plus the member of parliament, and the local chief people. The local chief people, I don't know the best word I can call them. They are mobilizing people. It's as if they have interest in that school. And if the school is for the government, what kind of interest do you think they were mobilizing people to safeguard? Back to court, and I hope the court will take stern action against the perpetrators. We have sworn some for contempt of court, and we are waiting for the ruling. Tomorrow we will be there, and I know justice will be prevailed. Leo tulikuwa turudi shuleni, lakini badala kulingana na court order, badala ya polisi na institutions za serikali kutupeleka shule, zimetuchezea tena. Wamejiungana na machambazi, Goons wanaitwa kwa Kiswahili, wamefunga njia askari wakiona. Na kazi ya askari ni kufungua hizo njia watu wapite. Wanaenda wakibia watu the village, sababu hiyo ni kitongoji duni au ni wakati au ni maskini. Ili yote inafanyika ili kuwanyamazisha wasasi. Na wasasi wametumika vibaya. Na vijana wametumika vibaya. Mnajua vitongoji duni watu wengi ni maskini. Sasa wanalipwa shilingi 200, wanaingia kwa barabara kupika kelele. Hii haitatufurahisha. Na sijui kuna intention gani kwa hiyo shule. Sababu wakisema shule ni ya serikali, sijui hawa vijana wanawekwa kufunga barabara, wako na nia gani katika shule hapo, ama wana gain nini kutoka hiyo shule. Wengi wao hata hawana wazazi, hawana watoto katika hiyo shule. My appeal ni hii, watu wa serikali kwamba OCS, DCC, hata member of parliament achitoe, sababu shule kesi tulishinda. Kama community, shule irudishwe kwetu. Community ni shule sasa ya wasasi pamoja na wale watu tunaoishi karibu na hiyo shule. Na waomba badala ya kufanya hizi zarakazi zote, watupe certificate tuende shule. Wakati mwingine tulikuwa hiyo shule na wakatushika, wakatustaki tukienda kuchukua shule kulingana vile sheria ilisema, koti ilisema. Na sasa leo tujikijaribu kwenda, wanajaribu kutuzuia. Wacha watoke mbali, wakae mbali na shule, sisi tuchukue shule tuiendeshe vile tulikuwa tunaiendesha kwa hiyo miaka 30.
Roda Mutua, the former social worker of the school, that is Gatoto Community Primary School. I've been there for the longest, actually, for the last around 27 years. And today, we were supposed to get back to school as per the court directions. But again, we are frustrated just because the place was not secure for us. After the Goons, who were paid by our local MP, blocked the roads, we could not go through. And we understand that the regional director was in the school without the head teacher. And I'm wondering, he was in school without the head teacher to hand over what? Because all we need is to get the certificate of registration as he was instructed by the court and allow us get back to school. Last week on Thursday, they claimed that we need an official handover. But now without the head teacher, who was to hand over the school to us. And I would say that we are so frustrated that court orders cannot be obeyed. And we are here to tell the regional director, tomorrow, because we are in court, just bring the certificate. We will find our way back. We don't even need the police. Because the police are compromised. They are compromised. Instead of protecting us, they are protecting the goons. You saw our lawyer, one of our lawyers, getting injured in front of the police. That means no one is secure and they were not there to protect us. So our plea is that Regional Director Ruben Kipturgo bring the certificate in court tomorrow. We get us our certificate. You get your teachers out. We will find our way in together with our community, together with our parents, because they are desperate out there. They are calling us every now and then. They are silenced because of the goons that are brought there. They cannot say anything. If they shout that they need their school, they are threatened to be beaten. And even their children are frustrated because they are threatened in school and told that your parents are supporting Gatoto community. They are not for us. And therefore, the children themselves are also suffering emotional abuse together with their parents. And the area MP is using the desperation of these vulnerable parents to give them those 500 or 200 shillings just to silence them and to come at the gate and begin shouting, using dropout children who are within the community. When they are told that there is some little money here, they'll definitely come because that day they'll have something to eat. And therefore, we just need that certificate because the school is running illegally since last year, 2025, June 12th. They are there illegally. The certificate that they had was nullified by the court because it was proven that it was acquired in a very fishy way. So they are there illegally. They have operated that school for that time illegally. They should be out and we will find our way in. Even the police, we are telling you, OCPD and OCS and the DCC, we don't need you. We will get in because we have the backing of the community. We shall get in when we get the certificate. Thank you.
Okay. I'm Milka Injendi, one of the former BOM member representing Gatoto Community School. Okay. I'm Milka Injendi, one of the BOM member representing Gatoto Community School. So last week we had to go back to school, but the Director of Education was not around. He had traveled to Bungoma for a festival. So today we were well prepared, plus the security team, to take us back to school. But today you have seen something that's not good at all. The parents were very ready to go back to school, but we are just seeing some small girls there. They have been paid 200 shillings to come and attack us. Those are not the parents of Gatoto School. Those are just young girls. We don't know where they come from, saying that they are from the community. So we are not happy because they have actually injured our lawyer who was supposed to stand with us, which is not a very good thing. So I just urge the Director of Education, kindly, if you hear this message, kindly just give us the certificate of the school. We just march majestically back to our school. Because the parents outside there, they are crying. Some, even girls, others, they have got the pregnancy. They are not even going to school because of lack of school fees. So where you are, plus the government of Kenya, the President, Ruto, we have really cried for a long time. Kindly, we ask that you come and assist us in this issue. We'll appreciate. Even the parents there, they have been converted, not just to speak the truth. Because when they speak the truth, they will be caught. So they are very much afraid. They cannot even speak openly. So as a parent there, I even feel very bad. As you did, even the education there is just lowered down. It's not the education that the children were getting. So my prayer is that the Director of Education to give us the certificates, we march well, majestically, and our children will go back to school well. The environment was not well off because even the roads have been closed. We cannot even access to the school. And even the security team was there when our lawyer was being attacked. So I don't know which security is this. So how can we stay in a country where even a security team cannot even stand with you? So the environment was not okay. It was very hostile. Yeah, thank you.